Rica, baby. That's where we are headed.
This guy.
All of us here at JetBlue, especially support Montreal-based crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you on a future JetBlue flight.
Alright, we just got to Costa Rica. We're gonna pick up the rental car and head to Fortuna.
To cross all the way.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Wait. We've gotten to this point where we need to cross this road
Road. I say road.
with that car. I don't know if we can do it. Do we want to do it? Can we do it?
Yeah, I think we should do it. I mean, otherwise we're gonna need to go spend 2 hours to go back.
As we stood there contemplating whether or not to cross over this road, these 3 women from Puerto Viejo showed up to show us how it's done. And now it's our turn. Can we do it? Success! We made it! This morning we decided to come to La Fortuna Waterfall and check it out.
Check it out.
There it is!
Hola. So we take 500 steps down. Now we need to take 500 steps up. It's gonna be a little tough.
We're not taking the steps right now. We took a bunch, and we have a bunch more. But the Fortuna Waterfalls were incredible. So
awesome.
beautiful.
Awesome. We were planning in and out, but we ended up spending like 2 hours over there. It's crazy.
At least 2 hours, maybe 3. I don't know. I didn't want to leave. It was so nice.
We went to water.
I could live there.
Yeah, it's an awesome place. Just,
beautiful.
Lots of minerals. I like the sound of the waterfall too.
Your skin is super soft.
Yeah.
It was just an amazing experience. It was genuinely phenomenal. Pura Vida.
Pura Vida. Alright, we have probably 250 more steps. You see up top.
See ya!
So tonight is the last night at the La Fortuna, and we decided to come to the hot spring to treat ourselves. Like that.
Join us next episode as we discover the southern peninsula of Costa Rica.